स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन पोस्ट्स. सो ह्या व्हिडिओन आमी जाणून घेवया तुम्ही कशें अप्लाय करपाक जाय ह्या पोस्टा खातीर, कितले पोस्ट आयल्या, खंयच्या खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंट्सान पोस्ट आयला, तुमचो पे स्केल कितें आसतलो, तुमकां अप्रॉक्सिमेट कितली सॅलरी मेळटली पर मंथ, हें सगळें आमी ह्या व्हिडिओन डिस्कस करुया. सो टू अप्लाय फॉर दीज पोस्ट तुम्ही https://gssegoa.gov.in या वेबसायटीचेर लॉग इन करून ऑनलायन ॲप्लिकेशन भरपाक जाय फॉर विच एवर पोस्ट यू आर एलिजिबल अँड यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू अप्लाय फॉर. So these are Group C posts, and last date to submit the applications for various posts is 23rd May 2025. सो आमी पळोवया खंयचे पोस्ट आयल्या. असिस्टंट टीचर पोस्ट आसा फॉर इंग्लीश, हिंदी, कोंकणी, मराठी, संस्कृत, मॅथमॅटिक्स, सायन्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, सोशल सायन्स, हिस्ट्री, जिओग्राफी, सिविक्स. कितले पोस्ट आयल्या फॉर ईच सब्जेक्ट. इंग्लीश 26 पोस्ट, हिंदी 22, कोंकणी 10, मराठी 10, संस्कृत 2, मैथमेटिक्स 14, science, physics, chemistry, biology 14, social science, history, geography, civics, economics 20 posts. आणि कॅटेगरी वायज तांणी डिवायड केला कितले कितले पोस्ट आसा ते तुम्ही डिटेलान तुमकां मेळटले ऑन द वेबसायट. नेक्स्ट, ऑल दीज पोस्ट आर फ्रॉम डिरेक्टरेट ऑफ एड्युकेशन. टोटल कितले पोस्ट आसा 118 पोस्ट, आउट ऑफ विच 5 पोस्ट आर रिजर्वड for person with benchmark disability, 3 post blindness and low vision, and 2 post locomotor disability including cerebral palsy, leprosy cured, dwarfism, acid attack victims, muscular dystrophy. 2 post reserved asa for ex servicemen, and 5 posts are reserved for meritorious sportsmen or sports persons. सो ह्या पोस्टाक अप्लाय करपाक तुमचे कडेन खंयचे एड्युकेशनल क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स जाय. You need to have bachelor degree with at least 50% or its equivalent from recognized university in the subject as specified, applicable to the relevant post, and B.Ed, that is Bachelor of Education, from a recognized institution by the National Council of Teacher Education, or bachelor degree from recognized university with at least 45% marks or its equivalent in the subject as specified, applicable to the relevant post, and Bachelor of Education B.Ed from recognized institution by National Council for Teacher Education, or 4 years degree of BA B.Ed or BSc B.Ed in the subject as specified, applicable to the relevant post from recognized institution by NCTE. Teachers eligibility test certificate is mandatory, which is recognized by the government of Goa. Knowledge of Konkani and knowledge of Marathi. So तुमचो पे स्केल कितलो आसतलो, level 7. So that would be approximate 80,000 rupees salary per month. Age limit कितें आसा, not exceeding 45 years. Relaxable आसा for government servants up to 5 years. Second, ड्रॉइंग टीचर्स इन सेकंडरी स्कूल. अगेन डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एड्युकेशनाची पोस्ट आसा. कितली पोस्ट आसा, 2 unreserved, and out of these 2 posts 1 post is reserved for person with benchmark disability. ह्या पोस्टा खातीर कितें क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स जाय. बॅचलर्स डिग्री इन फायन आर्ट BFA from recognized university or its equivalent, or SSC 10th pass or equivalent. Second, diploma or certificate in art and drawing from recognized institution after a full-time course of not less than 3 years duration, or part-time course of 3 years duration. 3 years teaching experience in a recognized school. Knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. ह्या पोस्टाची पे स्केल लेवल 7 आसा. अगेन 80,000 rupees per month. Approximate. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. Third, trained English teacher in government primary school. Again, department is Directorate of Education. कितले पोस्ट आसात, 14 posts unreserved. Out of 14, 8 posts are reserved for person with benchmark disability, 4 posts blindness and low vision, and 4 posts locomotor disability, and 6 posts are reserved for ex-servicemen. Note: only candidates belonging to either PWD categories mentioned above or ex-servicemen or both can apply to the post. ह्या पोस्टा खातीर खंयचे क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स जाय? You need to have bachelor's degree in arts, science or commerce from recognized university or equivalent with English as the first language at secondary and higher secondary level. Second, bachelor's degree in education, that is B.Ed from recognized university or equivalent with English teaching methodology. Third, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. So in case of non-availability of candidates satisfying the essential requirement, then above, other candidates possessing bachelor's degree in education, that is B.Ed, may be appointed, provided that such candidates shall successfully complete the course of such duration designed by the government within a period of 5 years from the date of appointment. ह्या पोस्टा खातीर पे स्केल लेवल 6 चेर आसा. सो अप्रॉक्सिमेट ग्रॉस सॅलरी वूड बी अराउंड 60,000 rupees. Again, age limit is not exceeding 45 years. Fourth post, librarian grade, Department, Directorate of Art and Culture. दहा post आयल्यात. They have divided in the categories, as you can see. What are the educational qualifications required for this post? You need to have bachelor's degree of a recognized university or equivalent, degree in library science, 1 year course after graduation of a recognized university or its equivalent, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale is level 5, so that would be approximate gross salary of 50,000 rupees. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. Fifth, PSI, Police Sub Inspector posts. Department, Office of the Director General of Police and Police Headquarters. So कितले पोस्ट आयल्या? 187 posts. 157 posts are for male candidates. So again category wise divide केला. 30 posts for female candidates, category wise divided. What are the educational qualifications required for PSI? You need to have degree of a recognized university or 3 years diploma course in security and investigation technology from a recognized board or institution, knowledge of computers, physical standards and physical efficiency tests. So physical tests like for the male candidates, minimum height of 168 centimeter, minimum height of 167 centimeters for departmental candidates. Third, chest expanded 80 centimeters, expanded 85 centimeters, 100 meters run in 15 seconds, long jump 3.80 meters, 3 chances will be given to you, shot put 7.26 kgs, 5.60 meters, 3 chances will be given, high jump again 5.20 meters, 3 chances, 800 meters run in 2.50 minutes. So हे सगळे proficiency test तुमका clear करची पडटली. So for various other candidates also they have given. हे तुम्ही डिटेल्स सगळी तुमका ह्या वेबसायटीचेर मेळटली. सो कायंडली गो थ्रू दिस एडवर्टिजमेंट ऑन द वेबसायट. Let's move further. Yes, you need to have driving license for light vehicle, knowledge of Konkani. Please note, after recruitment, candidates pertaining to all above categories shall undergo and pass basic training course at any police training college or police training academy. You need to have knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale of level 6. So approximate gross salary would be 60,000 rupees per month. Age limit not exceeding 28 years. Again relaxable for the government servants up to 5 years. Sixth post, we have technical assistant posts, civil category, 57 posts. आणि हे फर्दर डिवायड केला डिपार्टमेंट वायज. सो कितले डिपार्टमेंट आसा, प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटान कितले पोस्ट आसात तेय तांणी डिवायड करून दिला. लेट्स नॉट गो इन टू डिटेल्स, आय जस्ट ब्रीफली इंट्रोड्यूस. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ रुरल डेव्हलपमेंट कितले पोस्ट आसात? 3 पोस्ट आसात. Department of Water Resources 33 posts. Department of Public Works 18 posts. Directorate of Panchayats 3 posts. So total 57 posts असा. ह्या पोस्टा खातीर तुमकां कितें qualifications जाय? Technical assistant civil, you need to have degree of a recognized university or state board in civil engineering or construction engineering, structural fabrication and erection engineering. Second, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale level 6, so 60,000 rupees per month gross salary. He approximate. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. Next, technical assistant again, mechanical, electrical, department of public works. कितले post असतात? 4 post असतात. What are the qualifications required? Degree from a recognized university in the concerned branch of engineering, that is mechanical or electrical engineering, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale level 6, again 60,000 rupees approximate gross salary per month. Age limit 45 years. Technical assistant in computer or electronics or information technology, Department of Public Works. कितले post असा? एकूच post असा unreserved. Qualifications required: degree in engineering from recognized university in the branch of information technology, computer, electronics, electronics and telecommunication, electrical and electronics, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale asa level 6, 60,000 rupees gross salary per month. Age limit 45 years, not exceeding. Ninth post, programmer, Department of Accounts. दोन पोस्ट असा अंडर अनरिझर्व्ड कॅटेगरी. क्वालिफिकेशन्स कितें? बॅचलर्स डिग्री इन कंप्युटर इंजिनियरिंग और information technology or electronics and telecommunication from recognized university, or master's degree in computer application MCA or computer science from recognized university, or bachelor's degree in computer science or computer application from a recognized university with 1 year postgraduate diploma in computer science or computer application from a recognized board or institute, or 3 years diploma in computer engineering from a recognized board. Knowledge of Konkani. Desirable: experience in fields including system administration, exposure to database development and networking, knowledge of Marathi. Pay scale is same level 6, 60,000 rupees per month approximate gross salary. Then technical officer post IT, department, office of the chief electoral officer. कितले पोस्ट असा? एकूच पोस्ट असा. So qualifications कितें? Bachelor's degree from recognized university in engineering in discipline of computer or information technology or electronics and telecommunication, or master's degree in computer applications. Second, 3 years work experience in the field of information technology. Third, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. 60,000 rupees per month approximate gross salary. Age limit 45 years. 11. Junior Technical Officer, Department, Office of the Chief Electoral Officer. 2 posts unreserved. What are the qualifications required? Bachelor's degree from a recognized university in the discipline of computer science, computer applications, information technology, electronics and telecommunication, or diploma in engineering in computer science, information technology, electronics and telecommunications from recognized board. Second, 3 years of experience in the field of information technology, knowledge of Konkani, knowledge of Marathi. So pay scale asa level 5. Level 5 would be approximate gross salary 50,000 rupees per month. Age limit not exceeding 45 years. So instructions दिले असा, candidates have to fill application form through online mode only, which is available on the GSSC website. Candidate has to apply for the post within the time limit prescribed, that is 23rd May 2025 is the last date. So before that you all have to apply. General instructions and the application forms are available on the website. So please visit this website, https://gssc.goa.gov.in. Before filling up the application form, please read the instructions which are given carefully, because once you submit the form, you cannot undo it. You cannot edit the form again once submitted. So when you are typing something, so your details, please type carefully. Ata, for each post, there will be again CBRT exams, and they have given syllabus for the same. All the details are given on the website in this advertisement PDF. So rest of the PDF, please go through. I hope this video will help you. Thank you and bye bye.